Hi plant lovers, in today's video we'll compare two of the most popular houseplants, Zamioculcas zamifolia, ZZ plant, and Sansevieria snake plant. We'll dive into every detail from care and light requirements to cost, air purification, propagation, and even toxicity. If you're unsure which plant suits your home or office better, stick around to make the perfect choice. Appearance and decoration, ZZ plant. With its glossy, thick, dark green leaves, the ZZ plant adds a touch of luxury and elegance to any space. Its upright, organized growth makes it ideal for minimalist or modern interiors. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue, features tall, sword-like leaves with unique patterns. Varieties like Sansevieria laurentii with yellow edges or moonshine with silvery tones. Light requirements, ZZ plant. ZZ plants thrive in low light but grow faster in bright, indirect light. They're perfect for dim corners or spaces with minimal sunlight. Snake plant. Snake plants are incredibly versatile. They can tolerate low light, thrive in indirect light, and even handle direct sunlight, although indirect light is ideal for optimal growth. Watering and care, ZZ plant. This plant is low maintenance. Water it only when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering is its biggest enemy and can lead to root rot. Snake plant. The snake plant is even more drought tolerant. Forget to water it for weeks? No problem. Just ensure the soil dries out completely between waterings to avoid root issues. Hardiness and toughness. ZZ plant. ZZ plants are highly resilient, enduring low light, dry air, and occasional neglect with ease. Snake plant. Snake plants are practically indestructible. They tolerate extreme conditions like low or high light, dry air, and temperature fluctuations. Growth and propagation can be one step in the fun snake plant that starts at small leaf and grows exponentially, with growth protecting the stems. This is a slow grower, but propagation is simple. Divide its rhizomes, easy plant. Snake plants grow faster and are easy to propagate through leaf cuttings or dividing the root clumps. Air purification, ZZ plant. While the ZZ plant does purify air, its impact is less significant compared to the snake plant. Snake plant. Snake plants are NASA-approved air purifiers. They remove toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, making your indoor air cleaner and healthier. Toxicity, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is toxic to pets and humans if ingested, causing digestive irritation. Keep it out of reach of curious pets and kids. Snake plant. Similarly, the snake plant is toxic if eaten. It may cause mild nausea or irritation in pets and children, so be cautious with placement. Pests and Diseases, ZZ plant. This plant rarely gets pests, but overwatering can cause root rot or fungal issues. Proper watering solves most problems. Snake plant. Snake plants are equally resistant, but they may occasionally attract pests like spider mites or mealybugs. These are easy to control with simple treatments. Cost and availability. ZZ plant. ZZ plants are often pricier and may be harder to find, but their durability and long lifespan make them worth the investment. Snake plant. Snake plants are more affordable and widely available. Plus, their variety ensures there's a perfect option for every style and budget. Versatility in Décor ZZ plant. The ZZ plant adds a polished, elegant touch to modern spaces, making it perfect for offices, living rooms, or bedrooms. Snake plant, with its unique architectural shape, the snake plant brings a bold, statement-making vibe to any room. Mixing different varieties can create stunning visual contrasts. Both the ZZ plant and snake plant are fantastic choices, but the better one for you depends on your needs. If you want a plant that's low-light friendly, luxurious, and easy to care for, go with the ZZ plant. If you're looking for a versatile, air-purifying, and affordable plant, the snake plant is your best bet. What about you? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips and tricks.